Gems, it's your girl Miss Shamima, and I am back at it again with another video. So today, I am filming this video on Stitch Fix, and I randomly came across this brand's, I don't know if it was an Instagram ad, a Facebook ad, but Stitch Fix is basically a personalized subscription service that sends you clothing items at whatever frequency that you choose. I think they had like every 2 to 3 weeks. They had every month. They had like every quarter, I think, something like that. But yeah, so I haven't seen anyone like do ads for it or anything like that. I've just seen like regular like Facebook ads, whatever. So I decided to try it. Because I figured, why not? You know, switch up the content a little bit, switch up from the FashionNova and the SHEIN, and kind of see what else is out there for the plus size body, okay? So, I took their questionnaire situation thingy, and I feel like it didn't really grab a good sense of what I like, because like the outfits that they'll put together, I would like 1 or 2 things, but not necessarily the whole thing. And so I feel like when I was saying yes and no, it wasn't really truly indicative of what I like. But I decided to just do my best and then see what happens. So they sent out my first box. They don't tell you at all what's gonna be in it. I tried looking on the website. I was like, maybe they'll give you like a sneak peek under your account, whatever. You literally don't know what you get until it shows up at your door, okay? Now, it's $20 flat fee, $20 flat fee. And if you decide to keep any of the items, they deduct that fee from the total, okay? So let's say that I hate everything, but I like a sweater. The sweater's $50. They'll deduct the $20 fee from that sweater. I only pay $30. But if I don't like anything at all, they keep the $20 as a fee for the personal stylist that's doing the shopping for you, and all the fees and web and all that stuff. So if you don't want anything at all from what you get, they keep the $20. If you decide to keep something or keep a couple pieces, the $20 is deducted from the total. Also, if you keep all the pieces that they send you, they give you like a 15 or 25% off coupon, which is like major savings. But you have to keep all of it to keep the savings. At this point, is this a sponsorship? Like, I'm giving you all the tea. But yeah, so I wanted to try it. I know Dia & Co, I think it's called, or Eloquy. I think they have subscription services too, so I want to try those as well. But yeah, Stitch Fix is just the first one that I tried, honey. So let's get into the haul, baby. So this is the first piece. We have this jumpsuit. Can y'all see? Wide leg, gaucho-ish looking jumpsuit. When I first took it off the box, I was like, I don't know if that's for me. But now that I have it on, I'm like, this is kind of cute. This is not something I usually gravitate towards. If I do something wide leg like this, I usually want its floor length, or else it's skinny or wide length and floor length. So this is new for me, new territory. There is this situation right here. So I'm like, am I supposed to do like a side? Maybe that's what it is, a side belt. I'm gonna show you the belt, and I'm gonna show you what I was trying to do earlier. Y'all don't roast me. This is definitely what it is. Oh yeah, this makes a lot more sense. So why was I trying to like force this little baby strap all the way across my midsection? But I mean, I like that because I feel like it cinches in the waist more. And y'all know I love a cinched in waist, honey. Create a silhouette for me. Create a body for me, okay? And I feel like, I mean, I could really force it, but this little nub right here ain't enough to really do nothing. So I guess it makes sense that it ties on the side. Damn, Jemima, like everything don't have to be skin tight. God. This is why my father be cursing me out. So I'm not gonna make it to heaven. But yeah, I'm like, this is actually like really cute. I think I like this. But I was like, where would I wear this to? Like, where do I go that I would wear this to? That would justify me keeping it in my closet. And the bra top shows a little bit, so I would have to go loosey-goosey, or if I did strapless, I think it would show. So loosey-goosey or brassy bra. Yeah, she's cute. Okay, let's try the next piece. I actually have a sweater, which will look really cute with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this over it. So this sweater is super soft, and this is from Pink Clover. So what I like about Stitch Fix is that it gives you the option to tell them whether or not you want like cost-effective clothing, or if you want to try out more luxurious clothing brands or higher end, whatever. And I put that at like a mix because, you know, rich auntie vibes, rich auntie vibes. I'm trying to leave rainbow. Well, I'm not trying to leave rainbow. I'm just trying to expand my horizons more and blend more, okay? Like my wardrobe can't be 100% rainbow in thrift store. I mean, it can, because I've been cute this long. But you know, I just want to try new things. But, oh, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the length of this. And then, you know what? I'm pretty sure it's my body because a lot of sweaters, a lot of tops hit at this length. It's just not for me. So this is a no. But I do love that the back is longer than the front. Okay, talk about coverage. We like to see it. But personally, I don't like the cut of the sweater on my body. But it feels very nice though. It's not too thick where I feel like I'll be melting if I wear this. But yeah, not my favorite. So this will be going back. So another option that they have on the website is to try out athletic wear. So they sent me these Fila leggings. They fit perfectly. They have a super wide band at the top, which I love. This would be great in the gym. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I love the gold detailing. Yes, I like it a lot. They also sent me this bodysuit from Katie Storino, I believe. I love it. I love it. I love it. I feel like it does a great job at covering up my bra straps, which I love. It fits perfectly, like as you can see. There's no gapping in the back. I'm not struggling, y'all. My coochie's not fighting against the straps. It fits perfectly. I don't think I've ever had a bodysuit that fit this well before. And it's a bright, beautiful red. I'm keeping this and I'm keeping this. Talk to me nice. I'm keeping both. Yes, I love. Last but not least, we have this sweater here. Look it. Oh, I like this. I actually really like this. So at first I was iffy about it just because the color palette isn't necessarily what I'll go for, but the way it falls on my body is love. It's love, it's love. The slit here is everything. It's just arms perfect, medium weight. I like it. It has pockets. It has pockets. And it looks like sprinkles. I don't know if you can see the pattern on here. Probably not, but I like it. I like the straight situation here. This is cute. This is giving me PTA mom vibes. Okay, I think I might keep this too. I'm gonna calculate to see if it's worth it, because if the combination of these two items or the three of these items is more than the total, including the 25%, I might as well just keep all of it. So we'll see. I have to do some calculating. But yeah, this was my first Stitch Fix haul. I'm very interested. I'm gonna go in and repersonalize my selections to see if I can get a better, more accurate selection of the clothes that I like. And then I'll see y'all next month with another haul, y'all. So this might be a monthly situation, okay? We're gonna see how they hit, all right? Let me know if there are any other brands that you guys want me to try, any other subscriptions. Let me know if you wanna try out Stitch Fix for yourself. Cause your girl is feeling this. Yo, these leggings are like legit. They're not compression or anything, they're cloth, but they're legit. Like, I'm about to be in the gym like, and nobody gonna see my cheeks. Come on, Fila. Yes. In this bodysuit. Oh. I'm gonna see you on the next haul. Toodles.